Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can change your snooze time on Samsung calendar. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Samsung calendar, and once you open it, you need to tap on any of the dates you want to set an event or there is an event on. You tap on the alarm like icon, which will allow you to send the alert sign 10 minutes before or 1 hour before or any customized preference. However, if you can see there, you can just find the timing option in the alarm section or the alert section. So there is no particular way to customize your snooze time. So according to the Samsung account, you will get your snooze time in every 5 minutes. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.